Alright, just got the LG 27UL550. Open here. Don't use screws, no cracked screen. Insert the top first, pop down. Don't use drills, use your finger to turn the bottom in. Got a quality assurance report. Gamma, color temperature, Delta E94. And more about what that means. Joystick, power on, menu push in, move the joystick to get the menu navigation. Got the base. Power cord and accessories. Arm. And the display. It's got lock and release on here. It looks like it just goes into there. Here's a quick rundown of what was in the accessories bag. And it looks like they got the serial number on the accessories bag, so you don't have to go behind the monitor. This is the 4K HDR setup. Looks very nice. Just wanted to give you an example of color saturation. This demo video. I've been using the monitor for a couple weeks now with both my PC, my Apple TV 4K, and Sony PlayStation 4 Pro, and I've been very pleased with the results of all. I have a Nvidia 2080, and I'm able to use the Freesync works well. I'm able to use it in extended mode with computer games. The HDR is amazing. I would definitely recommend this to a friend. Well, that's been my review. I give it 4.5, 5 stars. If you can pick it up for under $350, I'd go for it. Wanted to add one more thing. The serial number isn't on the bag. That's a part number. So you do have to look behind the monitor, so you either want to do that ahead of time for registration, or use your phone and take a picture of it so you don't have to get behind your monitor. Not a biggie, but I did want to make that correction. Over and out. If you liked the video, hit subscribe, hit like, and check back for more unboxing, science, and computer videos. Thanks guys, have a good time.